With e-signature data verification, you can automatically verify specific signer-provided information, such as Social Security number, bank account information, or phone number, in real time within the agreement before signature. E-signature administrators can install data verification apps on their account through the DocuSign App Center. Once an app is installed, all senders on the account can add data verification fields to an envelope. To add them, click the Standard Fields drop-down menu and choose Data Verification. Add the field that you want to use to verify signers, for example, email address or phone number. Note that if Require Verification to Sign is selected, signers will not be able to finish the envelope unless they pass verification. The signer receives an email to review the document and is directed to complete the required fields as usual. If the signer enters invalid information, they receive a notification that verification has failed. If the field is marked Require Verification to Sign, they will not be able to complete signing and should click Finish later, then contact the sender. When signers enter valid information, they will see a notification that their information has been verified. They can complete the other required fields and click Finish. Completed verification information will be available on the document's envelope history and certificate of completion. As a result, organizations can establish a seamless verification process, guarantee accurate signer information, and monitor verification progress, all while upholding compliance standards.